Hey Keely, Coach Millard. This is your last and final map note uh, for this school year and your last one at Daniel Boone Elementary. I hope you enjoy the map note so far, and I hope you enjoy this one as well. I just wanted to say thank you for being such an awesome student. I feel very privileged to have been your PE teacher for 4 years. The good times, the struggles, all those things, watching you grow as a student has been something very special. I want you to remember to not let anyone ever tell you you can't do anything or hold you back from your dreams. Go after it, rise up, and make the most of every opportunity that comes your way. I know you will work hard in everything you do, and I just want to say thank you, and I wish you the best in the middle school and everything that comes your way in life. Stay strong, work hard. Dreams do come true. When you put your effort into it, great things can happen. And again, thank you for just having a great 4 years, and I wish you the best in the middle school. Take care, Keely, and keep in touch.